What the dog doing?
Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a good minute since I recorded anything, like 4 months I think max, and I haven't really posted anything because the car's been kind of down. I had to change the transmission mount because the vibration was so bad. That's something new. Anyway, had to change the transmission mount and had to change the sway bar bushings and end links. Also had to change the rack and pinion because the oil was leaking. And yeah, I've pretty much been working on my suspension parts lately. And seems like this side is squeaking. Yeah, it is. Something's definitely wrong on this side. But yeah, but pretty much I just been changing like suspension parts and all of that. I still have to change my my whole front end is squeaking. Yeah, I'm gonna change my shocks and struts. I mean my shocks. But pretty much I have to change my U-joints and my rear wheel bearing because they're both bad. And the way you can tell is vibration in the car and stuff like that. You can feel that, like all of it. And once my I got some clips of how bad my transmission mount was. Like that thing was just straight deceased. Like didn't have it at all. So I will show you guys that clip, and I will also, yeah, you can see it right now, shaking. Yeah, my suspension is just shaking due to that thing, that U-joint down there. But pretty much this is just like a point of view drive. There's nothing really too serious. Not really going anywhere crazy because I have to get the U-joints replaced. But yeah. Damn, why is it like that though? It's pretty much bad, like real bad. I don't know if you guys can see it shaking or not, but it's pretty much shaking. And then my suspension, I don't know what's going on with my suspension on the left side. Like this shit's just creaking. Goddamn, I don't even fucking know. That shit's just creaking though. Damn, bro. But pretty much it's just a point of view drive. I'm not really going nowhere. Just talk about the car and what's going on, everything, and stuff like that. Not really doing much. I've changed the brakes, calipers, and rotors recently because my caliper was seized up and it was causing me, goddamn, bro, damn, big ass pothole, and it was causing me to, damn, when can I go and avoid this damn pothole? was causing my alignment to be off and be like this, because it clamped up on that side. So I was just like, damn. And my rotors was warped and all that. I was like, damn. What is that cleaning truck? I think I know him. Yeah, I might. You know him. Damn, hyper flash. There we go. Nope, hyper flashing still. Why is that hyper flashing? Damn, I got a lot of things going on with this damn car. I'm not gonna lie to you. Pretty much just doing preventative maintenance and stuff like that with this thing. Building a new building, goddamn. I'm going hard. I am out here for you guys right now. Like, straight up. It is 44 degrees outside right now. I don't know if that's a cop or it's just someone that's going down here. Got no clue. But we finna stop in the middle of the road and get some videos. Let's see what they about to do. Looks like a GMC. Oh no, a Chrysler. Yeah, Chrysler. Shit's cool. Alright guys. So pretty much. Man, they're turning right back around. Yeah, I don't trust that. I guess they was just trying to see what's new over here. Also, I have to replace my power steering pump because it's leaking from the reservoir. And that is a bad thing. But okay, let's continue this video. So pretty much guys, I know it's like really windy out here and you probably can barely hear me, but recently I've done the LED side markers. I still got the same tail lights as before. This one's pretty low. I did the switchbacks that I kept talking about. I did pretty much a lot. I know y'all can barely hear me, but this car is dropped the phone, but it's okay. It is really windy out here. So tell me what you guys think. You know, do you like the wheels? I'm getting new ones, wider ones, but the same. I'm getting a 9.5 in the front and a 10 in the back. I'm trying to find a 10.5, but can't really find that. Really windy and really cold. I doubt you all heard me like at all. But yeah, it's pretty windy out there, pretty cold. In Texas too, that's the crazy part. But this is just basically like a little small point of view. Don't really have much to record right now until I get this bad baby right back to where it's supposed to be. Exhaust setup is a muffler delete, and I was supposed to get both cats replaced, and they decided to just like replace one cat and delete one of my resonators at the muffler shop and charge me hella money for it. And my dumb ass went for it. I directly just said fuck it and went for it. But this is how it sounds. Sounds pretty decent. Well, not that decent, but it sounds okay. Until I get the full setup. But as of right now, that's how it sounds. It's pretty cold, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the heater max. Let the heat room. And I'm gonna let you guys hear what it sounds like. Can't go forward by the way. Pretty much how it sounds. I would get some nice shots since I haven't been out in a while driving, but it'll be okay. But I gotta get these U joints replaced, cause man, that's a lot of vibration. But pretty much, guys, that's about it. I don't really have nothing else to say. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Next video will probably be me at a car meet or say something like that, and recording for you guys, getting some type of content out, not leaving my freaking stuff dry. But yeah, my alignment feels off, but like I don't know how. Check engine light, check fuel cap light. That's the evaporator. I gotta get that. I'm gonna replace that myself. But besides that, the U joint and the rear wheel bearing, I'm gonna just send that to a shop. Cause honestly, I didn't have no energy to work on my car yesterday, and I definitely don't feel like doing those two things. I'm getting both though, cause it might go bad over time. Those U joints are shot. You can just hear. I don't know if you guys picking it up, but them things are shot. And it's really windy outside, so I apologize for that. They did say it was gonna be windy. that's pretty much gonna end this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.